Hello, babies. I have been in the like recycling room and looking for junk that I can maybe like electronic devices and stuff that people have thrown away that I can perhaps disassemble and find parts in that I could cool parts that I could use in my scrap metal dream catcher. I found like an old vacuum cleaner, so I took this tube out and I thought it would look really cool. It looks like something that Giger would have painted, and I thought maybe I can use this for like a photo or something if I can make something like something I can put around my head, and then I can plug this in like a sort of a swoop, and then I can take this and hook it in here, hook up somewhere. And now I am connected to the matrix, downloading information. I know Kung Fu. Something like that. But it would be cool if I could find something like that. Anyways, I found one of these old things, which I don't quite know how I would take apart. It doesn't have any like screws or anything, so I think I will just have to force it open. And also like this thing, and this looks like someone have already taken the screws out, so I'll just have to find a way to open this the brute force way as well. Maybe I should just position the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So maybe just take the little plastic thing first. And just have this screw thing. I mean, they're thrown out for reasons. I don't think it matters much if I break it. I mean, it would be a shame if I damaged something inside that. Look. I was thinking like, no, I don't know if that helped, but yeah, come on. Yes. And then uh-oh. Very exciting. And look on the inside. I don't know. Can you see what's... Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks like it's... Alright, we just have to... Okay, what am I going to the gym for anyways? So here we go. Okay, so it has these sort of things in it. And I wonder what's underneath here. And here I can't see any visible screws either. It's just this. Here it's gonna be problematic, I think. Because I can, yeah, okay. This thing here is blocking the thing. And now perhaps if I okay, underneath it doesn't look like there is any cool things that I want to use in this. Shame it was broken anyway, or at least thrown away by someone that Didn't need it. And now for the big guy. How am I gonna... I mean, the screws aren't here, so it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, yeah, this is more what I'm talking about. Like, this here is a... And then it could be like soldered onto it. I hope not. I think I just have to... Yeah. Okay, and then this shouldn't be too hard to... Yeah. So something like this that I could use, you know, on a dream catcher you have feathers, but I was thinking you could use stuff like this instead as a thing. And this is the fan, I think. But as you know, if you've seen my paintings, you know that I love this sort of aesthetic. So I don't know, I wouldn't know how to put that sort of stuff onto a dream catcher. But well, we'll see. And I don't think that there is anything on the underside of this. No, not really. Okay, I'm gonna end up a hoarder, I think, from gathering up these stuff in the future. Please stop me if you see the warning signs, okay?